This video will guide you through how to clear WhatsApp cache on your iPhone, making it easier for you to free up space and improve your phone's performance. Part 1. How to clear WhatsApp caches on iPhone within WhatsApp. You can directly manage storage within the WhatsApp app by deleting old media files and messages to clear the WhatsApp cache. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to Settings at the bottom right corner. Step 3. Tap Storage and Data. Step 4. Select Manage Storage. Step 5. WhatsApp will display categories such as larger than 5M, forwarded many times, and chats. Step 6. Choose the category you want to clean up. Step 7. Select the unnecessary files, photos, videos, documents, voice messages. Step 8. Tap Delete to remove the selected items and free up space. You can also go to Settings, Chats, Clear All Chats to delete the message history of all your conversations. Part 2. How to delete WhatsApp caches on iPhone by reinstalling WhatsApp. If WhatsApp is taking up a large amount of space, for example over 10 gigabytes, and you don't want to delete files one by one, the most effective method is to uninstall and reinstall the app. Note, as long as you have iCloud, WhatsApp backup, or local chat backups iCloud Drive enabled, your chat history can be restored. To reinstall WhatsApp from iPhone settings. Step 1. Open Settings, General iPhone Storage. Step 2. Find WhatsApp and tap Delete App. Step 3. Return to the home screen and go to the App Store to reinstall WhatsApp. To reinstall WhatsApp from the home screen. Step 1. Long press the WhatsApp icon on the home screen. Step 2. Tap Remove App and then select Delete App and confirm. Step 3. Open the App Store once the deletion is complete and search for WhatsApp and reinstall it. Part 3. How to remove WhatsApp caches on iPhone using Coolmuster iOS Cleaner. For users who want a quick, efficient clean, Coolmuster iOS Cleaner is a great choice. It automatically scans your iPhone for system junk, app caches, and hidden WhatsApp files. With a one-click cleaning feature, it frees up space quickly while keeping WhatsApp running smoothly. Step 1. Launch WhatsApp Caches Cleaner after installation and connect the iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Then the program will automatically detect the connected iPhone and show the interface with your iPhone information. Step 2. Select the first mode to clean junk files like WhatsApp caches and select the junk file types to scan. Check app caches and the other junk types, and click the Start Scan option to see more details. Step 3. After quick scanning, please select the junk file types you want to clean. To clear WhatsApp caches, please check the App Caches option and click the Clean button to start cleaning WhatsApp caches from iPhone and other junk automatically all at once. Then your iPhone will run as fast as a new one.